Okay, this is a older style electric hot water heater. Taking it out, and you can look, it says $420 per year or so in electricity. It's probably more. Older hot water heater, probably like 550 or so. And I'm going to replace it with a hybrid hot water heater by Rheem, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, this is the Rheem hot water heater. It's a hybrid slash heat pump hot water heater. What it does is it uses the warmth in the air to heat the hot water. So you're getting energy savings from that, and it also will cool the garage while it's working. So it's perfect for a warm climate. It's Wi-Fi connected. You can connect it to Nest. It beats tankless hot water heaters in terms of energy efficiency, and it gives you more hot water for many more showers, and it can fill up a Roman tub. This is a 50-gallon, and I'm going to be installing this today, and I'll take another video once I've got it up and running. Okay, now the hybrid is installed, the fan is running, and it's blowing some cool air into the garage, and it's heating the hot water. That's it. It's running fine. You can connect it to Wi-Fi. Your Nest has Wi-Fi leak alerts, and it saves you more money than tankless. There you go.